Hi, welcome to lesson 11, human activities at the coast. This is a really straightforward lesson and I want us to consider the role of human activities and what kind of things happen at the coast. It's a very straightforward one, will be done in 10 minutes. Please write the title, there are no keywords for this lesson. Please pause the video, write the answers to the Connect quiz. Please check and correct your answers. On the next 7 slides, I'm going to show you some photos and I would like you to identify what the landform or the feature is. So it's going to be 7 photos and I want you to choose A, B, C or D, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds for each one. Okay, get ready. Photo number 1. Is it a sand dune, a tombolo, a spit, or a bar? And the answer was A, sand dune. Number 2, sand dune, bar, spit, or tombolo? It was D, a tombolo. When this is, if you remember, when a spit stretches out and reaches across to an island. Number 3, sand dune, bar and lagoon, spit or wave cut platform. And the answer was bar and lagoon. I'll just quickly show you. So here is the bar, and we learnt about this when we learnt about Lagos, and this is in fact Lagos Lagoon. Here is the lagoon trapped behind this bar that stretches across the mouth. Number 4, U-shaped valley, scree slope, spit or wave cut notch. And it was D, a wave cut notch. Number 5, sand dune, chalk escarpment, scree slope or bar. And the answer was B, chalk escarpment. Number 6, Ribbon Lake, scree slope, U-shaped valley or V-shaped valley. And the answer was U-shaped valley. You can see the perfect U-shape created by a glacier eroding a V-shaped valley here. And then lastly, number 7, do you see a stack, an arch, a cave or a stump? And the answer was A, a stack. So what I'd like us to do now is a bit of map practice. So I'd like you to identify 3 pieces of evidence on the map of human activity. So look carefully at the map and see if you can see 3 different pieces of evidence that humans have been using this landscape. And the answers, we have a farm in the north, we have wind turbines for energy production, and then we've also got a gas terminal in the south. You could have also said, I suppose, that we've got some houses, possibly a small settlement there, maybe a village. There was also a farm up there, and that's pretty much it. And there was also a farm down here. So for this lesson, I'm going to show you 3 photos of ways that humans have impacted a coastal environment. So I want you to study that photo and do a really straightforward point develop. What can you see in that photo? What is going on and how has it impacted the environment? Pause the video now. Answer. a port, a harbour, a seaport. You could even say industry has been built. Point. Give yourself a tick for that. You could say that it's increased water pollution, it's increased traffic. You could have said animal habitats have been destroyed. There's a number of things you could say for that. Next one, study this carefully and describe one way humans have impacted this coastal environment. And the clue is what's going on here. Pause the video now. Okay, we're going to say something like roads have been built. Point. The proper term for that would be urbanization. And what this means is you have heavy lorries and trucks driving along what appears to be very soft rock at first glance. So that's caused it, put extra pressure on it, and it's increased erosion. So please check and correct. Okay, your third photo, do exactly the same, please. Pause the video now. Hopefully, you could see that farmland or farming has happened. Now, how has this affected the landscape? Well, or how has it affected the environment? Well, look at what you've got here and here, and then look at what is missing here. So it's our old friend in geography, deforestation. You could have said it's reduced the number of trees as a development, or just deforestation. An important point you could have put is that it increases flood risk from the sea. Please give yourself a mark out of 2, check and correct. As a consolidate to finish the lesson, I would like you to write the letters A to M down your page or on your document, and I would like you to study the diagram and see if you can work out what the features or landforms are. And I'd like you to use the ones from this box only. Pause the video now. And the answers are here. So next lesson, we're going to look at coastal management, how we protect and look after our coasts. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I told you it was an easy one. See you next time. Thanks.